start me a
Fuck
13.
you, dude.
Step away from me.
Fuck you, bitch. If you hit me like that again, I will fuck you up. Do you understand that?
Step away from me.
Do not fucking touch me, bitch.
Step away from
Don't
me. You're
fucking...
under arrest. You're under
he
arrest.
slapped his hand away. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. Now I'm here answering one question, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else pops up in today's video, using my law enforcement experience. No fancy edits, nothing like that. No fast cuts, nothing like that. Just the real raw goodness of my reactions. Today's video comes from police activity. Patient cop gives drunk man every chance to go away. Reacting in real time. Here we go.
Oh, and,
That's okay. That's all right.
Don't put your hands out.
Actually, you're the one
What
that
is
came
your
towards
address?
me.
What is the address here?
You don't need to yell at me, sir.
No, you need to tell me what the address here.
Okay.
Tell me what the address
Address is right here, 525 West Sprague.
It's 5.15 Sprague.
So very obviously
525
drunk.
West
525 Sprague.
Okay.
Dude, who do you think you are? Just tell me that.
Sprague. My name is Sergeant Kannberg.
Sergeant?
Yes.
Sergeant what?
Kannberg.
This guy.
Kannberg?
Yes, sir.
Kannberg.
Close. Kannberg.
Can?
Yes.
Like a C-A or
Yes.
K-A-N? I'm not gonna walk away. Because this fool has no coordination over me.
What
Okay.
did he
Do you
say?
really think you do? Because this fool has no coordination over me.
This fool has no accordiation over to me. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Do you really think you do?
Do you mind just kind of stepping away?
I
from
have
it?
all the accordiation over you. I have the most accordiation, some may say.
Me a little bit, please. Thank you. Hey, Joe.
Hey.
I got somebody from Detox coming to kind of talk with you a little bit, okay?
You hear
I'll
that?
kind of hang out here for
Oh.
a minute, all right?
Jelly?
Okay, so the cop is here addressing this individual, who's also very apparently drunk. And then this guy, I guess, decided to walk up.
Just watch.
Sir, could you step away from me,
No, I
please?
probably won't.
Okay, could you step away from me, please? I'm asking very nicely.
Your reach is far enough to me.
Okay, could you step away from me,
No,
please?
I think you're far.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Okay, you're about ready to be arrested. Step
am
away
I?
from me, please.
Kelly,
Step away from
Kelly,
me,
just
please.
watch him.
All right?
Watch him, Kelly.
My question every time I see these types of interactions is, what is the end goal? Like, sir, what's the ultimate goal here? What are you hoping to gain out of this? I know that your brain's moving a little slower because you're a bit inebriated from alcohol, but I must ask, what's the end goal here? Because you're walking yourself slowly into handcuffs, and I have a feeling there's going to be a point when he goes too far and touches him, and it's not going to go well.
Okay, sir, I've asked you to step away
I
from
dare
me.
you to touch me.
right.
I dare you to
You're
fucking
about
touch
ready
me.
to be
I
arrested.
dare you to touch me.
Could you step
Touch
away
me.
from me, please?
Touch me.
All right?
I dare you to fucking touch me. I dare you
Okay.
to touch me. Touch
Could
me.
you step away from me,
No,
please?
no, I will stand right here on the fucking sidewalk, public sidewalk, and I dare you to goddamn touch me.
Sir,
I
you
fucking
have
dare you.
nothing,
No,
you
fuck
have
you,
no
dude.
idea
Touch
what's
me.
going on here.
You
Step
have
away
no
from
idea.
me
Touch
and
me.
keep your hands out of
Touch
my
me.
face, please.
Then touch me.
Thank you.
Touch me.
Could you stay?
All of this is being recorded. Touch me right now.
Congratulations.
No, motherfucker.
You want to go to jail tonight or not?
I'm not going
The
to go to
friend,
jail.
the best part, the friend on the phone, trying to talk some sense into him, and he's not listening to anyone.
If you keep up the attitude you've got,
Touch
you're
me.
gonna go to
Stay
jail.
away from me.
Touch me.
Okay?
Touch me. Touch me right now.
Now, right now I'm dealing with the other gentleman
This
here.
guy.
You're hindering and delaying. No, I don't
I'm
shake hands with you.
What is that?
I'm
what
not
you
shaking
said?
hands with
What,
you.
what did you just say?
I'm going to ask. I
I'm
said-
hindering an investigation?
No.
Are you
I'm
serious?
dealing with this gentleman here. I'm going to ask you to step away.
You're
Thank
doing-
you.
You know what? You are not a law enforcement
asked
officer.
you to step
You
away.
are not a
Thank
law
you.
enforcement officer. Do you understand?
Step
that?
away from
Do
me.
you understand that you are not?
Step away
no,
from
don't
me.
fucking touch me. Do you
Step away
understand?
from me.
Do not touch me. Do you understand that you are not a law enforcement investigator?
Okay, guys, there's a very important note I want to make. There is a thing in most states called Obstruction. It's when you interfere with an active investigation, an active call for service, when it simply does not warrant your presence. And when an officer tells you, hey, please, I'm trying to do my job here, can you please step back, and you don't, you're likely going to get arrested for obstruction. So it's best to just sort of take a step back and really evaluate your options and ask yourself, does this concern me? And if the answer is no, then you should probably step back.
220, could you start me at
Fuck
13?
you.
Step
Yeah.
away from me.
Fuck you, bitch. If you hit me like that again, I will fuck you up. Do you understand that?
Step away from
Do
me.
not fucking touch me, bitch.
Step away from
Don't
me. You're
fucking-
under arrest. You're
Yeah,
under
he
arrest.
slapped his hand away. I love how the moment he's like, you're under arrest, he takes off. Please fall, please fall. Oh. Philip, get back here.
There was an echo across from the bus station.
Sprague and post.
This cop is just so calm.
Sir!
Sir, you are now under arrest.
no,
Congratulations.
Sir, have a seat. Sir, have a seat on the
Don't
ground.
touch me until I record
Have
you.
a seat on the ground. Have a seat on the ground.
Do not touch me until I
Thank you
record
very much.
Do not touch me.
Get on your stomach.
Alright, they're recording me.
Have a seat
Yeah,
on your
they're
stomach.
recording me.
Put
Yes,
your arms out to
absolutely.
the side. You're under arrest. Put your arms out to the side, sir.
That's alright.
You're under
Hey,
arrest.
Kelly, just stay on the line, okay, Gail? Please stay on the line. Stay on the line, Kelly. There was...
Oh my goodness, how silly and just frankly uncalled for. Very intoxicated individual tests the patience of one of the most patient cops I've ever seen. I give him an A+. The cop, not this individual. Any sane person would watch this and see very clearly that this man is in the wrong. If you disagree, I would love to know why. Please comment down below. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.